Kuma mentioned the certificate saga. So going back to the Supreme Court judgment and how everything panned out, do you think they should have conducted another election? Do you think they would have just decided to conduct a fresh election?
Well, what was wrong was for the Supreme Court to use technicalities to try to remove such a weighty issue as a man who forged a certificate and presented it to INEC. Because the Nigerian Constitution is very clear on what happened.
Hello, Moses.
Yes, we'll come back to you now. Let's listen to Barrister Eze.
The Nigerian Constitution is very clear on what happens to people who present forged certificates. They are not qualified for election. So the Supreme Court dubiously tried to use the issue of when the efforts made to retrieve that document. I mean, what the PDP and Atiku did not move fast enough. Why did they wait for so long? That same Supreme Court failed to realize that it was itself who said that a party who is not a member, a person who is a member of a political party cannot inquire into the nomination process. Which means that the PDP and Atiku could only have gotten involved with certifying or being sure of the certificates of Mr. Atiku after the elections. But whatever the Supreme Court has done, the fact remains that Mr. Tinubu submitted a forged document to INEC to be allowed to contest this election. So all the technicalities that the Supreme Court was rolling around to allow this same candidate to become president will not avail Mr. Tinubu, in the sense that the document forged is an American document, which means even if in Nigeria fail to see those issues, I wouldn't be surprised if some smart folks in the United States said, okay, this man has forged an American document, and they will have a warrant of arrest waiting for him. So it is Nigeria that will suffer that indignity, because the facts are clear. Despite all the efforts of the Supreme Court, Justice Okoro, to go around the facts and focus on the issue of efforts when the efforts were made to establish that fact. But is it a fact that a forged document of an American institution was submitted to INEC? Incontrovertible fact.
Well, as it seems now,